You be going all alone, ma'am. I have taught you morals. I have taught you God. You're gonna meet different people there. I don't even know who you're gonna meet. Maybe you're going to meet the Prince of Switzerland. Somebody's smiling.
It's because you know how dumb you look right now. It's trying to make me laugh, and I'm like so uninterested in that. What I'm interested to is to shop.
Shop for?
Shopping clothes, shopping what?
What are you gonna shop with? Ask me questions that you think they can challenge you on the way so that I can help you.
Now, how will I be paying for purchases? Like, I can't be calling you and say, oh, pay for me this. Every time I call you to pay for me something. I need to have like a source of like how I'm gonna pay for stuff.
I'm going to give you a Visa card. That's global, that you can use it anywhere in the world. So just swipe and it's done. But it's limited.
I need to
It's limited to me. You have to call me.
So every time I need to buy something, I call you?
No. If you want to buy something that is extremely, like a bit extreme, you call me so that I have to authorize the card because they can tell it's not me. Yeah. Actually, it's my husband's card. Yeah. So he told me to give you the card. So I'm like, really?
Yeah, but even you, how will I be paying for something? It doesn't.
I don't know how you will handle it. Because I'm not gonna be there, and I will not always be there. I will not always be there.
I can make friends that was scared. Like, what if something happens? Like, let's say, like,
if you find something that you're not okay with, let me be the first person to communicate to. Yes, I have taught you God. I have taught you morals. True or false? True. And you're gonna meet different people who are overexposed, who have different view about life. You're gonna meet kids who don't think like it's big deal in anything. Yeah. You don't know who they are. Yeah. So I pray for you because I believe with God you will be okay. You will be better. You'll be better with God. You won't meet friends that will change your mindset and ruin your life. Yeah. But you'll meet friends who will be destiny helper. Okay. So let's pray. I don't know where I will put the mic.